friends. I have gathered you all here today to discuss more findings on relativity.
Albert, I love you, man, but I'm torched up for having to fuse with this absolute bulb over here for your not-so-bright equation. Let me put, I'm never going to be able to produce energy with this flicker, so apologies, but I got places to be.
Nobody leaves. I have a bomb. Hear that ticking sound? That is the sound of a mini atomic bomb prototype. And I have fused all of its atoms with yours. So might I suggest you sit down, listen before I light this room up.
And I don't care if the world laughs at us. I'm ready for all that. I'm ready for you. I want you. I want all of you for the rest of my life. Bree, will you marry me?
Donald, no.
Why not, Bree? Why not?
Because of your sister.
Fuck you! You're just like the rest of them. You're just letting the societal constructs control you. You're just another relative phobic fuck!
Why, childish Gambino? Why does my mother have to stand in between us? What right does she have? I don't even know that woman exists. I haven't met her, and I don't want to. What does she have that I don't? Why? Why, childish Gambino? Childish Gambino, speak to me!
This is America.
Childish Gambino?
Would you like to know who your mother is? Alright then. I'll need you to solve me this equation.
What are you doing? You know I'm not afraid to detonate this thing. If my theory's going down, then we're all coming with it.
Oh yeah? See if your little bomb's atoms can remain bonded to mine while yours truly travels at the speed of light.
Wait a minute. Ticking sound. It's slowing down. And it's running in a square. That's it. That's how we form energy. The speed of light needs to be squared, and therefore we can conclude that E equals
MC squared.
What does that have to do anything with fun?
Listen to Childish Gambino and solve me the equation.
Okay. Well, you use energy, which is equals to mass times c, the speed of light squared.
Wrong! What M stands for, what it really stands for, is Mom. And this equation will give you the truth about yours.
Now then, what is C?
C is for, I guess, Marina? Marcel?
Wrong!
Furthermore, if the ticking sound of the bomb timer is changing according to the speed of the moving objects, then therefore we can also conclude that time is relative.
Turn around. Time is relative.
Time is relative. Time is relative.
Clock. C is for clock, which makes the whole side of the equation Mom clock squared. Your mom, Corinna, has been with you the whole time on your desk.
No, this can't be. And the man in the video.
It's me. I am your father.
No, that's not true. That's impossible. Does this mean
We're not meant to be.
You are the child of childish Gambino. Of course we're meant to be, Corinna. For time is not only relative, but it is also a social construct. And when time is a social construct, who's to say love cannot be the same? That, my child, is the theory of relativity.